Kaxe! Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo.
And I am Natasha.
And today, our OJIBWE word of the day. What do you think, sweetie? What should be our OJIBWE word of the day?
Well, I was thinking, Kbxe good. Thanksgiving Day.
Oh, that's a great idea. Kbxe good. Thanksgiving Day. Because we're coming up on that day where we give thanks for everything we have. Where we thank Kbxe Manadu, the Great Spirit, for all our blessings. And, for this Thanksgiving time, I was wondering, would it be okay if I read a poem?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. So this is a Thanksgiving Day poem called What I Meant to Say by Michael Murphy. What I meant to say. What I meant to say was, how can I possibly say goodbye to the person who was the first to hold me, the first to feed me, and the first to make me feel loved? From a distance, I watched you move about, doing the mundane tasks that to everyone else seemed so routine. But for me, the tasks you lovingly completed year after year built and reinforced the foundation, the structure that made my world a safe and comfortable place to grow. All that I am and all that I have can be traced back to you. Whatever accomplishments I have made along the way would not have occurred without first believing in myself. And you were the person who always believed in me. Now on my own, I am amazed at the number of times I hear your words flow from my mouth. This ventriloquist phenomenon was at first most irritating, but now warms me as I've come to understand that there is a part of you that will live on in me forever. When time parts us, I pray that you will reach across from the other side to again touch my face and whisper into my ear. For your warm and gentle presence in my life, for this, I will always be most thankful. Yes, Mother, you inspire me. What I Meant to Say by Michael Murphy on Thanksgiving. What do you think of that, sweetie?
Oh, that was beautiful.
Yeah, that's a real tearjerker. Nah. All right, well, Kaxe, I just want to say, Miigwech. Thank you for listening to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo.
And I am Natasha.
And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin, Minawa.
Hoa.
Hoa.